in today's lesson, let us see how we can solve this problem. Before us, we have three linear equations with three unknowns, okay, x, y, and z. We have different methods which we can use to solve this kind of problem, okay. We can use the Cramer's rule or the matrix, okay. But for today's lesson, let us make use of what? Elimination method. All right. So step one, first, is to choose two equations from the three. All right. Step one, you choose two equations from the three. So let us choose 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 is what? X minus y. Okay, this is equation 1 equal to 4. Remember your equation 1. Then 2x plus y plus z. This is your equation 2. Okay. So from here, after choosing two equations, you find a way to eliminate any of the variables. Okay. You eliminate one to have only two variables. Okay. So here, let us eliminate y. Okay. For us to eliminate y, then we have to add both equations. All right. When we add both equations, this becomes what? 2x. Okay. This will go away, and we have what? Plus 2z. Okay. Equals 6. All right. So you name this your new equation. That is equation 4, because we already gotten equation 3 there. So you go again to choose any two from the three equations. Because we have selected 1 and 2, we are now left with 3. So we can choose any of these, okay, plus equation 3. All right. So let us select equation 2 and equation 3. So we say from equation 2 and 3. So we have x plus y plus z equals 2. Okay, remember this is your original equation 2. All right, then 2x, okay, plus y minus 3z equals 0. All right, this is your equation 3. Okay, so because we eliminated y in the first two, let us also eliminate y in this second two. All right, so from here, for us to eliminate, we have to subtract both equations. Okay, when we subtract, we have it at 2x minus x. All right, this will give us what? X here. All right, then y minus y, this will go away. Then minus 3z minus z, so we have minus 4z equals 0 minus 2, you have minus 2. Okay, so we name this our new equation, equation 5. All right, so from here, by rearranging, okay, by rearranging, this becomes equation 4, 2x plus 2z, all right, equals 6. Okay, equation 4. Then you bring down your equation 5, x minus 4z, okay, equals minus 2. This is your equation what? 5. All right, so having done that, then let us eliminate one of the variables, okay, to get the value of 1. All right, so from here, let us eliminate x. How do we achieve that? We make the coefficient of x to be the same so that we can easily eliminate. All right, so what do? We multiply equation 4 by the coefficient of x in equation 5, okay, which is 1. Then equation 5 by the coefficient of x in equation 4, which is 2. All right, so let us multiply. We multiply 1, we have 2x, okay, plus 2z equals 6. All right, so we multiply equation 5 all through by 2. We have 2x, all right, minus 2 2 times 4, we have 8, okay? 8z equals 2 times minus 2, we have minus 4. All right. So we can name this, equation 6 because it has been altered, okay? And this equation what? 7. All right. So we've gotten the coefficient of x to be the same, so we can easily eliminate. How do we do this? We subtract both equations, okay? When we subtract both equations, we have it that this will go away, all right? So from here, we have 2z minus 8z. This will be what? 10z, okay? Equals 6 minus 4, we have 10, okay? So to get the value of z, so you divide both sides by 10, all right? So z is equal to what? 1. So this is the first value of one of the variables, okay? So to get the value of x, okay, let us substitute the value of z in any of the equation, either equation 4, 5, 6, or 7, okay? So let us use equation 5, okay? From equation 5, all right? So we have x minus 4z, okay, equals minus 2, okay? So we put in the value of z into this. We have minus, that is x minus 4 into 1, okay, equals minus 2, all right? So when we multiply, we have 4 equals minus 2, okay? So we take this to the other side. This becomes x is equal to what? Minus 2 plus what? 4, okay? The value of x is equal to what? 2. So this is the second value of the unknowns, all right? So for us to get the third value, okay, which is the value of y, all right? So we go back to the first equation. Let's choose equation 1, all right? From equation 1 says x minus y, okay, plus z equals 4, all right? So because of space, let us clean this place, okay? So this is equation 1, original equation. Let us repeat it here. X minus y plus z equals 4, okay? So we put in the values of x and z, okay? X is 2, all right? Minus y plus z is 1 equals 4, okay? So we collect like terms. We have minus y equals 4, okay? Minus 1 minus 2, okay? Because all these have to go this side, all right? So from here we have minus y is equal to what? This minus this, you have 3, okay? 3 minus 2, you have 1, okay? So from here, the coefficient of y here is 1. So when we divide, we have it that the value of y is minus 1, okay? So therefore, x is equal to 2, okay? Then sy is equal to 1 minus 1, then z is equal to what? 1. So these are the values of s, y, and z that will satisfy these equations, okay? So if you have time, substitute this in the first equation. You will have everything to be 4. You go into equation 2, everything will be equal to 2. So also in equation 3. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye bye.